So at the moment, I need to get a second device so I can show you guys what I'm using. I'm using the Moondog Labs hood cover. Super fantastic. Came in nice and clutch today, especially in the morning with the shadows kind of elongated and the sun is really bright. So boom, I got this going on here, and it basically sits on my screen like that. Totally blocks out the light. Super fantastic, and I got a lot more visibility on the screen using this thing. Super cool. I'm gonna get down and show you guys basically the setup once I get my second. I'll have to get my Canon out so you guys can see the setup with it on my phone, because it fits only this phone here. It doesn't fit any of my other cell phone. My other cell phones are small. So Moondog hood cover, also will have the link down in the description. Alright guys, so I'm quickly going to show you. I got the Moondog's cover here. In this bag here we got another like a cover that you can cover over yourself once you have it fully assembled, which is super convenient and I think very thoughtful. So it's kind of like the old film style where you put the blanket over your head. So there's that. I haven't had a need for it, but I guarantee I'm going to need that at some point. You know, once I'm doing some static shots, especially outside and things like this, might come in super handy. But for right now, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to set this thing up here. Here I got my Samsung Note 8 inside the moment case with the ND filter, with the ND variable ND on. And to set this up, seriously, it's super easy. Takes no time at all. And my major concern was how is it going to fit with the case on, because I always have my case on. And it's not bad. It's not bad. It fits really nice without the case. But for practical use, you can see I just basically slip this over here, slide that on the top there, push it up against it, kind of like get it flush against these little rubber mounts, and then I kind of just pull this tight, and then again just make sure we're flush up against those mounts as best as we can. And there you go. It looks like I can probably go a little bit tighter. Okay, boom, I got that on there, right? It's like that, and I just kind of slide that right there. And then I just basically open up my clamp here. And again, just slap my clamp on here, and this is going to even help it sit in there more secure. And get that kind of centered up. I'm using a newer mobile kit case clamp here. Nothing special. You can grab these on Amazon, really cheap. So boom, there we go. That's with it on there. Literally took me, less than a minute to set up, and I can still got my variable filter here able to adjust, and then I can slap that on here. And now I'll show you guys what it looks like with it on and without it on as far as the glare goes. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like, for my POV with the case on right now. Again, the screen looks very clean. I mean, you can see it. I don't have it, again, it's not super as bright as I would have liked to be. Again, it's a cloudy day here, but I'll quickly again take it off here to show you what it's going to look like with it off. And just slide this out of here. Okay, so this is basically what it's going to look like with it off. Again, not giving it that much justification right now, again, because it's not as bright as it should be outside today. But I think I'm going to grab a light here and just kind of point a light here just so we can simulate some sunlight. But I can clearly see a big difference here. Let me try to see if we can get that the light to reflect off there a little bit. Get a better angle. Alright, so clearly here now we can see we got the window. Where is it? There we go. Clearly we can see we got the window there, right? Now I'm going to go ahead and put it back on and leave it at this angle so we can get a better view of it. Alright guys, so I've got it back on here, and I try to keep that in that same position as much as possible, but clearly you can definitely see the difference. It took away that little reflection that I had from the window. Now you can clearly see that it's gone. Super fantastic. I mean, this thing is simple and easy, and it gets the job done. So also I'll have the link down in the description for the information as far as Moondog Lab goes, and check it out. It's running about 30 bucks, I think, on Amazon. I'm not sure if it's on Amazon at the moment, but I know it's running about 30 bucks. I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm using the Canon at the moment right now, and the SD card was full. So again, links down in the description. Check it out for this case, Moondog Lab. All their info is there. Patrick Levar, keep filming. I'll catch you guys in the next one. It's so much easier filming with my cell phone than this camera. Peace.